Hey friends, it's Blinky. Did you know that your body has a special muscle called the diaphragm? It helps you breathe, but sometimes it makes a sudden, jumpy movement instead. But here is the tricky part. When you eat or drink too fast, the diaphragm gets a little confused. I found the secret. Now you know that hiccups are just a little breathy hiccup, not a mystery. You are truly becoming a smart scientist today. There's so much more to explore together. Let's figure it out with Blinky.